Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl 77 Barbie, and today's video is sponsored by Lash Beauty. They went ahead and sent over their cluster lashes. This is a 10 to 16 mm mix. They also sent over a pair of their lash applicators and tweezers, also their lash bond and their lash seal, and it also has directions on the side. So convenient. Let's get into it. So first, I'm going to start by removing these dusty old strip lashes I have on. Phew. Alright, throw them to the side. And as you guys know, I already have a eyelash tutorial up on my channel. If you haven't checked that out, go ahead and check that out. But this here is for the natural girlies, okay? This here is for the girls who love their natural lashes. So the first step to applying these lashes is you're gonna brush some of that lash bond onto your natural lashes. Okay, here I'm showing you guys. I'm going to go in with the 16 mm and apply those first, because you guys know I love my long lashes. I'm just showing you what it looks like. But with the 16, you can, it's still short and natural, but you know, y'all know I'm a long lash type of girl, so I can still get that long look by still giving natural. And since I've already applied the lash bond onto my natural lashes, all I have to do is put them on, literally. And to give that lash extension look, you would apply them underneath your lashes, not on top. Literally, that's all you have to do. This is a 3-step process. So first step was applying the lash bond. Second step, applying the lashes. So simple and easy. I'm literally almost done with this eye. Now I'm showing you guys how they're coming out so far, and I am going to go in with the 14 in the inner corner because I don't like that gap right there. And there you have it. And you guys know I love my thick lashes, so I will be applying a little bit more clusters, you know, wherever I feel like I want a little bit more volume. So you guys are going to see me do that. But you can stop how I stopped and, you know, not apply any more clusters. Alright, and there you have it, one eye full of lashes. But we're not done yet. We have one more step. And that step is to apply the lash seal, and that will keep your lashes from like getting greasy, or it'll make it like waterproof, you guys. So you go ahead and add that last step to keep them real sealed in. And here you guys see me moving on to the next eye. I'll come back and talk when we're almost done. Also, you guys, add a note to get that good blend. You guys will want to go ahead and pinch your lashes together so it can look so seamless and flawless.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute trips to the highlands. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Bip, 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 baby, riding. Don't hesitate when you hit it 'cause you know I like it. Taking up a date for you. Sweet baby, nigga, when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We've been too often about it. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna hug you out. Take me for a ride, baby. Show me your outside. I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot 'cause I'm bulletproof.
Let's get that lash pinch in. And literally, guys, I'm telling you, this did not even take me 15 or 10 minutes. Like, not even 10 minutes. That's not even 10 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the last step, the lash seal. I know I got them on the actual lashes and not just like where it needed to be, but when it dries, it'll dry and you'll be all right. Your lashes will be back fluffy or whatever. Just brush them out. Okay, guys, and this is the final look. I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope I gave you guys some good tips on how to get you some DIY lash extensions at home. Literally so pretty and so natural for my natural babies. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Also, if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Period.